Okay, now we have done this. Let's remove this. Okay, so instead of saying without library function, let's do it using library functions. Okay, so now if we are going to use library function, then what changes would be involved and how much simpler the code would be? Let's see. Okay, so enter the string. Now what does this do? It tells you the length of the string. This loop tells you the finds out the length of the string. So instead of coding it ourselves, let's just find out. So len1, okay, len1. Now this is going to be int. Len1 is equal to string length, strlen, string length of what? Of s. Yes. Okay, so now we can just replace it with len1. Okay, so 4 lines has been replaced by 1 line. Okay, so now what is the next step? Enter the next string and find out the, now I don't require the len1 now. Len1 already has been initialized. So now instead of all this, what does this do? This again finds out the length. So again cut. So len, okay, int len2 is equal to strlen string len of sec. Okay, so this again we don't require. Okay, now what does this do? This does the combining of this. So instead of having this entire code, we can replace it with a function called strcat, string cat, or string cat basically stands for string concatenation. String concatenation, basically concatenation means combining it together. So strcat, string cat, and the strings that has to be combined. Now what are they? S comma sec. So basically you just can say strcat. So what it will do is it will take s, it will take the second one and add it to the first. Now just for verification purpose, let's say sec comma s. Then what happens? Okay, so India, Bharat. Okay, combined string is India. Okay, so what happened? Let's ask it to display SEC. Okay, now you will see the difference. Uttar Pradesh. So Pradesh, Uttar, it has come, right? And now if I just leave it as S and I reverse this, okay, so Uttar Pradesh. Yes, so got it. So it will take the second string and add it to the first string. So if you notice, the amount of code that we have to write has reduced drastically. Okay, so let's save it as let's save it as a separate file. Okay, str funcs. Okay, now let's close this window and let's quit.